Yes, I got cake and it's no debate. Paper I chase every day in chase. Bitches gon' be mad when I pull up in that jag. Bitches gon' be mad.
What's up, y'all? It's your girl GlamNefercent here, back at it again with the back at it again, honey. And yes, today, as you guys could tell by the title, it's about the tickle bitties. It's about the tickle bitties, period. Okay, so yes, y'all, this video is sponsored by Brassy Bra. Again, y'all, this is my second time reviewing Brassy Bra, and y'all, the first time I was in love, so I already know I'm gonna be in love again. Okay, I'll show you guys today the correct way to apply the Brassy Bra. Well, I hope it's the correct way because I watch a lot of videos and they told me how to do it the correct way, so I'm hoping that it comes out perfect. Okay, so before I begin, don't forget to subscribe, tap that bell to be notified when your girl upload so that you don't miss a beat, you don't miss nothing. Okay, you don't miss nothing. Have to quench my thirst. Yo, when you guys do videos, you get very thirsty, especially when you're like, you know. So yes, y'all, so yes, Brassy Bra was kind enough to send your girl 2 boxes of Brassy Bras and 2 of the a little extra. Okay, so I did get the size double D to quadruple D. Okay, and I did get the color caramel, so I felt like caramel would go best with my skin complexion, so that's why I got caramel. Sometimes you just gotta check and make sure that it's recording. Okay, yeah, so you guys seem to like my first Brassy Bra video, but I did get a few or a lot of thumbs down, and I know it's probably because of the application, but I can't wait to show you guys the correct application. And as you can see, I wore a top today so that I'm able to do it the best way I can and show you guys, so you guys can see right now that I don't have a bra on, and that's because we're gonna fix that. So my boobs don't really hang too low, but they do hang low, but they don't hang too low. So in each package, it does come with 3 sets of adhesive bras. These aren't very expensive. Now for me, I'm a triple D. I'm a 42 triple D, so they work pretty well for me. Okay, but that was last year, so we're gonna see again today how it's fitting, how I feel about it. I'm gonna give you guys my honest opinions. Okay, so I'm just super excited because I got me 2 boxes. Okay, I wish I was going on vacation so I could use them with my bathing suits and stuff. Brassy Bra is an alternative bra. Instead of wearing an actual bra with all those painful straps and straps showing with your dress or a certain type of top, you can just have on your Brassy Bra, okay, which will give you that lift that bras can't give you, and you won't see it. Okay, you won't see the straps, you won't have nothing cutting you here. Do y'all know how many scars I have here from bras? Like, if I could wear these every day, I would. I don't suggest you do that because it is sticky material. So I just really love the Brassy Bra like movement. I love Brassy Bra itself. Really about women empowerment. So it's not just about small boobs. They have stuff for big boobs as well, and I love that. I would say Brassy Bra is the only sticky bra I've ever tried that actually works for my big boobs. And I have some heavy, but they're not that heavy, but they are heavy. Brassy Bra is made out of cotton, yes, 97%. Strong enough for larger cup sizes, so quadruple D and up. Waterproof and sweat proof. Effective all day, 8-hour wear. So you can get 8 hours out of this. They have different wide ranges of skin tones as well. So I did get the color caramel, which is perfect to my skin tone. For a box of these, which come with 3 pairs, is $38. And for the little extra is $12. So for me, I feel like it's worth it. In each package, you get this, which is a test patch. Now, if you are allergic to, you can, like, if you do have sensitive skin, you can use these things here to test if you are allergic to the cotton or the sticky part. Okay, so you can test it here. You can use these put it on your skin for about 15 minutes, see how your skin reacts, and go from there. So I think that's pretty dope. I don't remember these being in the first package from last year, so I think that's a good improvement that they have the test patch. Okay, and now that's come packaged like this. Okay, so yo, I don't know why I'm acting like this is my first time. Okay, so what I do like is they have some instructions here for you guys. Okay, they have instructions right here. So let's see. If some of you guys don't know about pasties, pasties is the things that you see like celebrities wear or porn stars wear, where they have this little sticky, some of them being nice designs, little sticky stickers on their nipples so you don't see their nipples. So they won't have a top on or something, but they'll have these on. So these are pasties that you put on your nipples so that you don't hurt your nipples when you're peeling this thing off, because this thing is strong. So you peeling this thing off, yeah. Is this my color? It could work, it could work. Last time I believe I got chocolate, but this time I got caramel. I feel like it works for me. What do you guys think? What do you guys think? I think it works for me. We're gonna just go into it, okay? So guys, you wanna make sure that you don't have on any oil on your breast because you want it to stick, okay? You're gonna put the oil when you're ready to take it off. That's what's gonna get the Brassy Bra off. You wanna take the sticky part off like this on the pasty and paste it on your nipple. As you guys can see, which one has the Brassy Bra, which one doesn't. This one has the Brassy Bra, this one doesn't. Period. Now, when I tell you, I feel like a whole new woman over here. A whole new woman over here. Okay? This is how we're looking. That's how we're looking over here. Okay? So I do feel like I could have did better with the side boob action, but I definitely put it on the correct way, and I'm going to show you guys how to do it on this side. And yeah, what you're going to do is you're going to take the Brassy Bra and you're going to take this part down and put it under your breast. Take this part off, like here. All right. So you are gonna have some spillage here, and that's what the little extra is for, the little extra piece, and you're gonna put it on that spillage there, because we all experience that spillage. So yeah, you peel that off, and you be careful because the first application is always the best application. So you want to put that on the side of that spillage there so that it can close, okay, and make sure it's all the way down. And look at that, y'all. Instant boob job, okay? Instant titties pretty. Instant, okay? So also, yeah, so with me, one boob is definitely bigger than the other, and this one is bigger and more plumper. So weird. So this one is bigger, so that explains why this one is a little higher than this one, okay? This one is like the tape is a little higher than this one. So yes, what I also like about this tape is you can wear it any type of way you want. You can cut the tape if you have to. If you have a top like this and you want to cut some, you definitely can. Basically, you want to be wearing the tape for at least 30 minutes so that it can stick and sit on your body for a while and adhere to your goddamn body before you cut, because you don't want to like mess anything up. So don't put it on and immediately cut. Wait until you have it on for 30 minutes and then cut. Okay, so I do have it on and I'm loving how it looks. Definitely a great lift from before, as you guys can see. Yeah, it feels so good to not wear a bra. I cannot wait to put on some Brassy Bra this weekend when I go out, y'all. The outfit I have on is like a denim jumpsuit, so I should not be having on any bra with that because I don't feel like it. And I'm gonna wear my Brassy Bra, honey. I'm loving how it looks. How do you guys like it? Okay, you can't reuse it once you take it off, so no, it's not reusable if you guys have that question. So you want to take some oil and carefully peel it off. Be careful with your skin, okay? Don't just peel it off. How do you guys like this? It definitely looks super good. I love the instant lift. Like without it, my boobs is down here. Now they're like, now even the top even fits better. The top was like bunched up, but now the top even fits better, okay? If you guys want information on this top, it will be available November 20th, okay? So the video for this top will be up soon, okay? But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was so excited to try this Brassy Bra, and I am super duper excited. I just love how it feels, guys. Y'all don't understand. Like, it feels so good to not have a bra on. Even though bras sometimes give you that back support that you need. But again, it's nothing like having no bra on and being able to wear your top without worrying about, oh my God, I need to get a black bra. Oh my God, I need to get a nude bra. Oh my God, I need to go and find the most expensive, torrid, strapless bra for this damn strapless goddamn dress. No, you don't have to worry about that, okay? Because this is just great for the boobies. I feel free. My second review on the Brassy Bra sticky bra, okay? And I definitely would give it a 10, okay? Popping. I'm so glad that I applied it way better than I did the first time. And also, they did say that this was waterproof, so I would love to give this a test when I get in some water. Okay, so stay tuned for that video whenever I do get to go away or go in a pool. I'm definitely wear this and see if it's waterproof and take you guys with me and so on. But I did see a lot of videos where it says it's waterproof. You get in the water with this and all that other stuff. Also, one of my best friends, I gave her one the last time I got some, and I gave her one to try, and she said it was waterproof when she got in the water, and it stayed on like most of the day. So yes, if you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a big fat thumbs up. Don't forget to test out Brassy Bra, okay? Tell them I sent you if you do watch my video and all that other good stuff. And let me know, how's the boob sitting? How they sitting, honey? Period. 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 Who? Brassy Bra. Because that's on period. Who's on the titties? Who's on the boobies? Brassy Bra.